Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plaid Assets Product Review My Usage Experience. Plaid Assets Product Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and review your assets, presumably financial assets, providing insights into your portfolio. It's targeted towards individuals and possibly financial advisors who want a clearer picture of their holdings. Key features likely include asset categorization, performance tracking, and potentially reporting functionalities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Their website highlights ease of use and transparent pricing. They emphasize a user-friendly interface and claim accurate, up-to-the-minute data. Availability is seemingly broad, though specifics need to be checked on their site. They don't appear to use any specific revolutionary technology, but rather focus on efficient data aggregation and presentation. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plaid Assets Product Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward. I linked my various accounts, brokerage, bank, etc., securely within minutes. The interface is intuitive, with a clean dashboard clearly showing my asset allocation across different categories. I particularly appreciated the customizable reporting features. I could generate detailed reports tailored to my specific needs in seconds. Performance was excellent, the data updated consistently and accurately. I had a quick question about a specific metric, and their support responded within a day via email, very responsive. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access. I had to use my desktop to review the data. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Plaid Assets Product Review My Usage Experience. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of generating customized reports. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a clear, comprehensive overview of my assets. That's my overview of Plaid Assets Product Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.